Simple bacon and eggs on the Blackstone. You got the eggs over here. I've got my coffee, and the bacon is down. Ralph Man's Outdoors. They're calling for rain today, so we wanted to get our breakfast going early this morning. We're still at Joe Wheeler State Park in Rogersville, Alabama, and just doing a simple Blackstone bacon and eggs, and it'll be tasty. Cooking up, eggs are ready. Bacon's still cooking, but I got it over to the side, move that bacon grease out for the eggs, and so we're going to put the eggs down in that. Get the eggs down, give them a toss. They're about finished. Bacon's about ready. Already done. Let's go give it a try.